This is Maureen Connell for group number 3, and this is my review of Trello. So I'll start out with the positives and the things that I liked about it. First off, it was just a generally well-organized, user-friendly platform. It was easy to create new columns and label them. And in here you can see a more detailed description, which is nice. However, I'd like to see a little bit more on the small cards. It just seems like there's not really enough to see just on the main screen. So that's one negative. But going back to the positive, it was neat to be able to change the background. You see here, since it's ideal learning environment is the focus, I decided to use a photo of students. So I thought that was kind of neat. And this is a photo from Unsplash that is just accessible through the platform. I also liked a lot of the features in the menu. I like the filter cards where you can change, filter based on different topics, color code. I also liked that you can just kind of see what's going on down here, kind of see who's logged in and participated and how they participated. And up here, I like how you can change private or public or team members and, kind of what the capacity and capability of everyone is. And then now for negatives. I don't think it would work well for the type of collaboration and back channel that we're going to need for our individual projects. I think this is more for a team project that everyone's working together on one project, so more of a project management type platform. So that's really the big negative. It just doesn't seem like it's suitable for what we're going to use it for. And that's it.